Muscle training, often referred to as resistance or strength training, contributes to longevity through various mechanisms. Here are several ways muscle training can enhance longevity. First, let's talk about brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Strength training increases BDNF levels, which play a vital role in brain health. BDNF supports the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth of new neurons and synapses. This is crucial for cognitive functions, mood regulation, and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Next, cardiovascular health. Engaging in regular muscle training can lower blood pressure, improve lipid profiles, and enhance overall cardiovascular function. Additionally, muscle training stimulates the release of growth hormone, which plays a crucial role in cardiovascular health. These benefits reduce the risk of heart disease, which is a leading cause of mortality. Lastly, let's discuss bone density. Resistance training is known to improve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. As people age, maintaining strong bones is vital for preventing injuries that can significantly impact longevity and quality of life. Hormonal regulation. Muscle training positively influences the endocrine system. It helps in maintaining healthy levels of hormones such as testosterone and growth hormone, which are essential for muscle mass, energy levels, and overall vitality as we age. Immune function. Regular exercise, including resistance training, enhances the immune system. It helps in maintaining a robust immune response, which is crucial for fighting infections and reducing inflammation, a key factor in many age-related diseases. Mental health. Beyond the production of BDNF, muscle training is linked to improved mental health through the release of endorphins and other neurotransmitters. This can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, contributing to better overall mental well-being and a higher quality of life. Functional ability and independence. Maintaining muscle strength is essential for daily activities and functional independence. It helps older adults perform everyday tasks more easily, reducing the risk of falls and improving mobility. Like, comment, and subscribe for more health and fitness content. Hit the bell to stay updated with our latest videos.